Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be doing the lazy girl method again, and I'll be using polygel from Rosalind in red and clear. Also I'll be using these glitters. You know, it's the Valentine's season and I've seen the trend on YouTube, so I decided to join the trend as well. So I'll be using this polygel brush and the spatula from Venalisa. I've had my nail sizes picked out, so I just start applying the polygel. So as I progress, I'll be thinking of the design to do on each finger. On the tongue, I decided to do the mixture of the love sequins and the polygel. Now I'm applying the base coat, and I'll be using the polygel brush to pick the sequins and place them inside the tips. I want the love sequence to be more pronounced on the thumb. If you are coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Ademido Abimbola. I'm a nail technician based in Lagos, Nigeria. All I do on this channel are nail products review, nail tutorials, and a little bit of vlogging. If you like what you see on this channel, kindly consider subscribing to become part of the family. After arranging the sequins, I cured for 30 seconds. And now I'm applying the polygel. So I'm just trying to spread the polygel in the tip. I can see that the polygel I put in the tip won't be enough, so I'll be adding a little bit of the red polygel again. Kindly consider watching this video till the end, as it helps my YouTube analytics. Thank you. I don't want to make this video unnecessarily long, so my model's fingernails are already prepped. So I'll put the nail tip on the fingernails, then I'll cure for 30 seconds, then we'll continue with the next finger. On the index finger, I think I like the sequins to be at the tip and the red polygel to be at the back. After arranging the sequins, I'm going to cure it for 30 seconds, bring it out, then I start applying my polygel as well. I won't want the red polygel to cover the sequins at the tip, so I'll be applying just little of the red polygel. Because I want the sequins to be transparent at the tip, I'll be using the clear Rosalind Polygel to cover the sequins at the tip. So one thing I noticed about the Rosalind Polygel is that it still gets sticky with the brush when I'm using my gel base coat. So I'm going to be trying using it with a regular slip solution. I actually don't like when the polygel gets sticky to the brush. It makes the process difficult for me. So I'll try using the Rosalind Polygel with the regular slip solution and let you know the outcome. On the middle finger, I'll just do the pure red polygel. When you are picking the nail tips for the lazy girl method, it's better to pick nail sizes that are a little bit bigger than your fingernails so that it can sit well even after applying the poly gel in the nail tips. This is because the poly gel in the tip actually reduces the space in the nail tip for your nails, so it's better to go with sizes that are a little bit bigger than your regular size. Don't forget to like this video and leave a comment. If you're still watching this video and you're yet to subscribe to my channel, kindly click on the subscribe button below and also turn on the notification bell so you get notified anytime I upload a new video. On the ring finger, I'll be doing all sequins and I'll be combining the two colors of the sequins. If you have any questions concerning this particular process, the lazy girl method, kindly let me know in the comment section. I'll cure it for 30 seconds before applying the clear poly gel. If you are contemplating on a clear poly gel to use to encapsulate your glitters, kindly consider Rosalind because it is very clear. It is crystal clear. I'd like to thank every one of you for always coming back to watch my content. My old subscribers, my new subscribers, those of you that are not subscribed but always come back to watch my content, and those of you that are thinking of subscribing to this channel right now, thank you all. I appreciate you. On the last finger, which is the pinky, I'll be doing a mixture of the sequins and the red poly gel. I want to try to form a marble design in this nail, so I'll be using the red poly gel and the clear poly gel. Let's see what I'll get. I don't think the marble design is coming out well, so I'll just leave it like that. The Ballerina preshaped nails and the poly gel I'm using right now are available on AliExpress. I'll put the link in the description box. The Venalisa base coats, top coats and the brush are also available on AliExpress. I'll also put the link in the description box. I got a lot of sequins as a gift from an ex-student, but I'm sure they are available on AliExpress as well. I think I need to get a more balanced base on my tips so that they won't be so shaky. I'll clean the undersides with isopropyl alcohol file the nails and then shape it. Thanks for watching, everyone. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and also share with a loved one. Till next time, bye.